another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Located in the highly sought-after Golf and Riverfront community of Riverbend, sits this pristine custom-built 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, with an oversized 3-car garage and workshop. You will truly appreciate the peaceful lake and preserve view with a bonus of bald eagles often found perching in the preserve. You will enjoy the property's location for its convenience to shopping, I-75, and the short walk to the community pool and restaurant. This home offers many custom features inside and out, such as mature landscaping with rock-filled flower beds, granite kitchen counters, amazing laminate floors, crown molding throughout the main living area and master suite, 5 1/4 baseboards, lush carpeting in the bedrooms, impact glass windows, a large under-truss screen-tiled lanai, and the always hard-to-find and most desired feature, lots of interior storage. This property is easy to show, so call today to set up your private showing. You won't be disappointed.